Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of REDnote. You will click on settings. In this list, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page of app info, you will search about the application of REDnote and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.